What? Well, yes. Who's going to see it? What have you done to Jake? He's going to be producing this kind of stuff. You're going to be a YouTuber now then?
I'm a scooter professional. I like scooting.
Did you watch it in the Olympics? Well, it was skateboarding, wasn't it? It was that stuff on. I think it was.
And BMX.
Oh no, there was BMX bikes, wasn't it?
Anyway, guys.
To be fair,
I literally lost the first match I played, but okay, yeah. I'm pretty good.
No, he is pretty good.
I am good. I'm actually really good. Guys, comment down below if you think I'm good.
Wee! I think he's good.
Do you think I can make it?
Yes.
No.
I think I might take it back. He's pretty good.
Oh, I'm trying to make a new trick shot.
No, have a go now.
Right. Right, I'm just gonna go round.
Oh, and by the way, there's Jake Cheetah playing.
Yeah, Drake Cheetah's playing now. Jake Cheetah did that. Right, I'm back. By the way, I've got my own YouTube channel called JJ Seagull. So subscribe
Make sure
to
check it out. And subscribe to his channel.
and subscribe to Drake's channel.
Yeah, because only one day ago I started to be a YouTuber.
Also, he only has one subscriber, which is kind of me. It's a bit pathetic, but yeah.
At least have one subscriber.
I have 18 though, so
I know.
yeah. Alright, that was pretty easy. Alright. Emoji puzzle. Why do they always do this? Idiot. Whoever did that was
Stupid. Level 300. I was at level 300.
It's like level 12.
Boom. What?
Yeah, I know that.
I didn't even see that guy. Come on, New Zealand.
Why aren't you going?
Come on, New Zealand.
Why didn't you make
This
it?
is our team.
Why didn't you make it England?
I don't know. I don't think
He's got that.
that was an easy that he got that.
Yeah, that was an easy one. Okay. Right, I can do the next one. I repeat.
Can I try?
I'm good at this game.
Where is it?
It's a good game. Not good at. Hard.
Where is it like a game? Can I play now?
Wait. I'll just do this one map. So guys, okay, what we're gonna do now is whenever I die, it's gonna be Jake's go. Whenever Jake dies, it's gonna be my go.
Which I won't die. Because I'm great.
Maybe not as good as me though.
Boom.
I didn't die yet. So.
How about after every single game?
So I'm probably gonna die again.
And guys, remember to
hit the like button and subscribe. Hit the notification bell too.
And also press the comment section below and say who do you think is the best at this game. And yes, make sure to like and subscribe.
I've already said that. You don't need to say it 3 times.
Yeah.
Aim.
You're banned. What? Whiskey.
Right.
Wait.
No way, give me a minute. Psych. I was trying to do a trick shot then, but you didn't let me. Oh, I have 25 grand.
Okay guys, also this game is very fun, so
That's okay.
do download it.
Fortnite's better. I'd say.
Yeah, I would also say that, that
Not
I'm
that
probably not allowed it because my parents say that it's a 12 plus game and I'm never allowed it. Except for when I'm 12. You don't let me play it.
Comment down below if Jake should be able to play it. Oh, how do I do that shot? How did I hit that shot? Look. I just did a shot before that one. That's cracked, honestly. Guys, this is still me playing, so.
Yeah, until he dies, I'm gonna play.
Even though I died before, but that wasn't the wrong one, so I'm gonna go the wrong way. I do sometimes play it safe, but I usually.
What?
But what? You're weak. Nah. It's good that we're both YouTubers, because he hasn't got a phone yet. If I want to see how he's doing, I can just either comment on his videos, or he can comment on my videos. And do you think that's gonna go? I wonder.
Yep. What? That's an amazing shot, isn't it, guys? If comment down below if you think that was an amazing shot.
It was okay. I've done better. I've done better and I've done worse.
Hip hip hooray!
Alright, okay, that's gonna be it for the video. Bye.